Good morning, everyone. I hope we are having a fantastic week. This video is a small tutorial on how we use this checklist for learning and assignments. So you'll see on Monday, October 19th, the assignment name and learning is linked Edpuzzle, Living and Non-Living Things Introduction. If you click on that link, my screen will look a little different since I'm the teacher, perhaps. Oh, actually no, I'm mistaken. It'll link you to this video. If it says you're done, you can see the results. If you are not done, you'll see that you are not done, and this is a video you have to make up. If you have completed the assignment, you type yes. If you haven't done the assignment, you type no, just as an example. And if you haven't done the assignment, go back and finish. Okay? You have a week to make up the missing assignments. You'll notice Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday all have different links, 2 Edpuzzle videos and an IXL. This IXL was assigned on Monday, but I just decided to put it in the Wednesday one. Thursday, please click the correct link based on your homeroom. So if you're in 7A, click this top link. 7B, middle link. 7C, bottom link. Please click on the correct link. I also have this week's assignments in there as well. Monday, it was an Edpuzzle video introducing autotrophs and heterotrophs. Tuesday, we created our biome, and this was the one that we did on paper. Mine is in my backpack across the room, so that's why I don't have it on here. But you'll see the directions are linked here, and you'll see the video tutorial is linked here. The video tutorial, I read through the directions and show you parts of my biome. Your job is to make your own. On Wednesday, your job was to upload a video of you describing what's in your biome to Flipgrid. The link is there. And Thursday's IXL P2, describe ecosystems. I know it was a challenging one. I got a lot of emails referring to it, so I want to make sure you all have an extra day today to work on it. And then obviously today is this checklist. Over the next week, just make sure that you're getting caught up on your missing work, so then you can hopefully earn a better grade than what you might already have. If you've already stayed up with everything, then you can submit your checklist today and you are all good to go. I hope you all have a fantastic weekend. Stay safe, have fun, be cool.